Hi everyone, this is the demonstration video of task 5.2C of SIT 210. In this task, we need to create the GUI to turn on and off the LEDs. I use the TK Inter library to create the GUI. Let's see the circuit. So as you can see, I connected the three LEDs using jumper wires and resistance to the pin number 16, 20, 21 of Raspberry Pi respectively. Now when I press to turn on the red LED, it will turn on the red LED as you can see. And the text changes to turn off the LED as it gets turned on. Similarly, for the rest two LEDs, now when I press exit, all the GPIO pin get reset and all the LEDs will get turned off. Now let's move to the coding part. So this is the code behind this project. The code begins with the importing necessary libraries from TK Inter import. Imports everything from the TK Inter library used for creating the graphical user interface. The this line of the code import tinker.font imports the TK Inter.font module for customizing the font in the GUI. From GPIO 0 import LED imports the LED class from the GPIO 0 library, which allows the control of the LEDs. This is the specific library for LED. Import RPI.GPIO imports the RPIO.GPIO library for controlling the Raspberry Pi's GPIO pins. Next, we move to the GPIO setup. It configures the Raspberry Pi GPIO pins for using GPIO.GPIO.set warning false. This line of the code disables the GPIO warning to prevent the unnecessary console messages. Uh, Three LEDs objects red LED, blue LED, and green LED are created to represent the LEDs connected to the specific GPIO pins 16, 20, 21 as I told earlier. GPIO setup. Let's set up the graphical user interface, that is GUI window. Win stands for window, creates the TK Inter window with the title LED control. My font defines the custom font. The font style is this, and size is 12, and it is of bold type for GUI element. Now comes to the event function. Here I created the red LED, blue LED, and green LED method, which I define below here. As you can see, the command red LED here created the label red LED and defines its codes here. So if red LED dot is underscore lit, it checks whether the red LED is on. If it's on, then the red LED will get turned off and the message on the button will print turn on red LED. Else, if it's off, then the red LED will gets on and the message on the button will change to turns off red LED. And now we want that at a time one LED is on, so blue LED will gets off and green LED will also gets off, and the message on the button will turn on blue LED and turn on green LED. The similar code is for the blue LED method and green LED method. Next we have close. This method is used for the exit button. So when I press exit, all the GPIO pin gets clean up and the window get closed using the window.destroy. So here I created the buttons, red LED button, blue LED button, and the green LED button. Uh, Explaining the red LED button, here I open the window. The text appears on the button will be turn LED on red LED. Font will be my font, which I defined earlier. Command will be red LED. Through this command, I define the red LED method, and the background is bisq q. This is the background color, and the height of the button will be 1 and width is 24. Similarly, I created a rest of two buttons, and this is the position of the button, which is row 1 and row 0 column 1. Next we have the window main loop. This maintain the flow of the GUI. So this is the overall software and hardware explanation. Thank you.